Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy a game on Roblox using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then search for roblox.com. And once you've done that, just go ahead and log in your account. And if you don't have one, just go ahead and sign up. And then once you've logged in your account, just go ahead and click on this search bar at the upper part of the page or of the website and search for uncopy locked. Then enter. And then here, these are all the games that you can copy. Okay, so just go ahead and choose one. So for example, I'm just gonna choose this one and just go ahead and choose or click any game that you want. And then you want to click on these three little dots on the upper right corner of the game and click edit. And once you've clicked that, just go ahead and download the Roblox Studio so you can edit the game. And after you've done that, you can now release the game on your own account. Okay, so once you've done that, you're good to go. And I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.